Hey everyone, something unprecedented just happened in the gold market, and almost nobody's talking about it. While America was sleeping, gold didn't just break its all-time high once, it smashed through it 40 times in 2024. And the story behind it? That's even more fascinating. Gold hit 40 records last year, Asia's 2025 Power Move explained. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on our market analysis. Now let's get back into what's really happening. And later I'm going to tell you a bit about Gold Sleeping Giant, a $4 billion CEO's secret 2025 project. They found 45 million gold ounces here, and now this legend is back. But first, let's get into the data and start with a number that's shocking even veteran traders. Global gold ETFs just hit $289 billion of inflow. To put that into perspective, that's larger than the GDP of many countries. But here's what makes December special. For the first time since 2019, we saw positive flows of $778 million into gold ETFs globally. Now here's where it gets really interesting. While Western media is focused elsewhere, something massive was happening in Asia. China just made its biggest move in gold since 2019. In December alone, Chinese investors poured $635 million into gold ETFs. Why? Three major factors. 1. The real estate market is struggling. 2. Bond yields are plummeting. And finally, growing tensions with the United States. Let me show you exactly how this played out. Two major Chinese ETFs tell the story. Huan Yifu Gold ETF added $189.7 million. Bosera Gold ETF invested another $116 million. But this isn't just random buying. This is systematic accumulation. And China isn't alone. The entire Asian region is on an unprecedented gold buying spree. Total regional inflows, $751 million last month. India, 8 consecutive months of inflows. Japan, their physical gold ETF quietly added $51.4 million. This is what we call a trend, folks. Meanwhile, in America, well, this is where it gets interesting. After a 5-month buying spree, US investors pulled back $329 million in December. The biggest gold ETF, the Spider Gold Shares GLD, lost nearly $500 million. Here's what most analysts are missing, and this is crucial. Despite December's outflow, North American funds logged their first positive annual flow since 2020. The smart money isn't leaving gold, it's repositioning. Let's look at the numbers that really matter. Daily trading volume in December, $221 billion. 2024's overall volume, up 39% from 2023, the highest ever recorded. Money manager positions averaged 555 tons in 2024. That dwarfs the year before's 289 tons. These aren't just numbers. This is institutional money moving in. To understand why this matters, you need to look at gold's journey. From 2016 to 19, stuck below $1,350 an ounce. In June 2019, its breakthrough moment, jumping 50% in 14 months. From 2020 to 2024, consolidated below $2,000. And now, we're seeing a technical setup that could dwarf all previous moves, and it's happening in real time. Let's get technical for a moment. Gold's holding strong above its 200-day moving average. Monthly moving averages suggest we're in early stages of a major uptrend. Volume patterns are mirroring the 2011 bull run. And there's 3 major catalysts that are driving this momentum. Trade policies and tariffs, central bank easing cycles, technical breakout patterns. But here's something even more fascinating. Gold is going mainstream. Costco is selling gold bars at record prices. Amazon now offers physical gold and silver. Major retailers are jumping into precious metals. Not just institutional money anymore. It's a fundamental shift in how people view gold. The real story? While Western investors debate the merits of gold, Eastern buyers are quietly accumulating massive positions. France's Amundi physical gold ETC, $374 million in inflow. Swiss ETFs seeing outflows. Asian markets steadily accumulating. This is structural change in global demand. Now let's talk about how to position yourself for what could be the biggest gold bull market of the decade. There are several ways to play this: physical gold, ETFs, mining stocks, royalty companies, each has its pros and cons, which we'll cover in a future video. But here's something special we've uncovered, a gold company that's flying under the radar. They've got a resource next to a producing mine, high-grade drill results, major financial backing, and a legendary team that's already built and sold a company for billions. Remember, in the gold market, timing is everything. The smart money is positioning. The question is, are you? If you want the full details on this opportunity, click the link below for Mayor Katusa's complete analysis in his premium resource newsletter, Katusa's Resource Opportunities. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of these market moves. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.